Sweetie, just let her change the baby pampers, man.
You can change on the bus. Come on, let's go.
Don't worry, darling. Be too long. No, fuck your game, my daughter. Oh, which one?
This one?
Okay, well then come fuck on. You know what?
That's your baby?
Auntie.
Look like she didn't know
Mom,
you was
mom,
calm
mom.
down, though. Relax. Well then she ain't going with them.
Let your sister come to DC.
I let them see my sister's children last night. I need to get a place. We been on last night. I just stopped there. I live in here. Yeah.
Which one?
Me? Yeah, I live in here. Rick Ferguson. Stay me.
Come down, boo.
Get up for me this time. Yes, sir. Honey, let me hear me, baby.
See, the lady have a daughter, you know. The lady have a daughter. The lady have her daughter. The one who she holding in her hand, that's the child. The mother two ain't her children. Sweetie, they ain't her children.
We know all of them are not her children.
Yeah.
But the problem is the children look like they don't want to go with her.
Because they look scared and shaking up. And shaking up.
You just said that's your sister, though. But then now you just said that's your daughter.
No, my daughter going to the road.
What's going to happen?
Rosie made her all the fucking them dread. They carry made her down.
We don't know that.
Motherfucker.
Just come to DC, bring. You want passports for the kids? Me? Passports for them. Your sister passports for them. So where Jella? So you're about to come to DC.
She said she gonna go. She's a baby. She said she gonna take my bus ride.
Inside there.
Bring her back. The fuck you over me on the fucking business, yeah?
They want Jill for this stuff for picture a long time, dog. That's good.
I told you.
Yeah, no, that's
You can't go, Jella.